Why, hello everyone, it's me, Smooth Brain. And today I have another unboxing for you. It's my Allure box, Allure Beauty Box. And what month is this? I don't even know. I think it's June, but let's see. It comes with the little cute magazine, of course. And I have a little ad about add-on beauty, which I don't usually do, but if there's something good, I will usually go ahead and capture that because they do have good sales every once in a while. So the first thing in here I'm going to talk about is the Sol de Janeiro 87, and I want to smell this. What does it smell like? Let me tell you what the notes are from my little book. It says, craving a vacation? Same. Well, I just got back from vacation in Spain. If you want to see pictures of that, head over to my Instagram. There's lots of pictures over there, and I still have more to post. Then it says, but no need to trade in your PTO days when you have the seaside-inspired body mist. One spritz of the creamy coconut milk, warm sand, and cozy vanilla scent will instantly transport you to sunnier locales serving tropical cocktails. That sounds yummy. And you can use it on your hair, down your neck, on your wrists. It retails for $39 for 240 mils, and there's 30 mils in the package here. So it's a trial size. But 30 mils is better than most travel sizes. Most travel sizes are between like 7 to 12 mils. So this is about triple that. And it is a spray. It's not an actual perfume. Whoop, I just sprayed it on my face. But it smells delicious. It's not personally my favorite kind of scent. But it's very nice just to spray for like a daily spray if you want something light and fresh. Really nice, very good sprayer. So it does have like that beachy smell, a little bit of coconut. I wouldn't say it's too much like a cocktail. It's not super sweet, but it is very nice and fresh. The next thing in here is my Refi. It's from Refi, and it's a face setter. And I haven't put any face setting spray on yet. So from Refi, has a nice misty spray to it. If you like the look that's on my face, go check out the video at the end of this video, which is the Unearthly Cosmetics, and the palette is called Made a Monster. So we have that. Refi, let's see, it retails for $28 for 1.69 ounces. That's a little high, I think, but that's equivalent to 50 mils. And it says shake the bottle to mix and hold at least 8 inches, and then spray it. You get when you need extra grip for glowy, not sticky finish skip setting powder. So you can use this instead of powder, or if you want to supplement your powder. Then we have Endota New Age. What is this? Hyaluronic lip treatment. So it's a squeezy tube, and it's got this kind of tip on it. Let's see, I don't think it has any color. No, it's clear. And you can use the tip to smear it out, like so. Very nice. It feels in between, like, it is a little sticky, but it does feel a little bit like you could use it at night as a lip cream. Let's see what it says here. #1 product in every Allure editor's bag, lip balm. Glide the angled applicator over lips for an instant glassy finish. It's $37 for a half an ounce. So this is an expensive product. $37 for a lip treatment. I think that's a little bit ridiculous. And you do get a promo code with that if you buy this to use at Mdota. Okay, the next one is a Belief eye cream, eye gel. I think I just got something from Belief in a box recently. This is what it looks like. And it's got one of these tips. So how do I use this? I push down the pump like this, and then it splooges out. And ooh, that feels really nice and cool. So I will be using this probably like right before I go to bed. Let's see how much this sells for. So, coffee, Diet Coke, and this eye treatment have more in common than you think. They're all packed with caffeine. I love caffeine in my eye treatments. I just feel like it really depuffs your eyes. I don't usually have problems with puffiness, but sometimes in the morning with allergies, my eyes can get really puffy, so this is a key. And this sells for $32 for a half an ounce. Again, very expensive, but this is why I get these boxes, because you get some deals in them, and oftentimes they'll sell the individual products for cheap on the website afterwards. And then the last thing in here is the one that was the choice, and I might try this. So it's 2 products. You got to choose the color. It's an Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade for your brows, and I chose the color dark brown. You can choose medium brown, dark brown, soft brown, or taupe. And this is what it looks like. And it also comes with a brush. So the pomade itself is $25 for, for 0.14 ounces. And then the brush has the little angled brush on one side, and of course a spoolie on the other side. So let's just try this. I'm gonna dip into it and see how this looks. And if you did watch my last video, you know that the product I used there was Anastasia Beverly Hills, but it was not the right color. That actually looks a lot better in this dark brown, and this brush allows you to make little hairs too, which is nice. So that's what it looks like. Really like that. So $25 for the pomade, and then $22 for a brush. That also seems a bit high to me, but I guess everything's going up these days. And that's what was in the box. So I actually liked everything I got in this month's box. We'll be using this as a daily spray, or even before bed. We'll be using the super expensive lip gloss or lip balm. We'll be using this pomade because the color matches. We'll be using this Caffeine Belief. And then their setting spray I will be using as well. So we got 5 products plus a brush. And the total retail of the products I will put right here. So you can see I paid $30 for this box, and just one of the products covered that. So thanks for watching this Allure Beauty unboxing. I have some more beauty unboxings coming up right after this, so hang out, come back and watch the unboxings tomorrow. I'm also going to do some snack trials, and we have a lot more makeup coming up soon. So remember, be happy, not sad. subscribe, hit like, and I will talk to you all very soon. Bye.